Drugstore, Clinic, and Pet Shop dito sa Baguio Benguet. And lahat po. Maraming pong salamat. Thank you po, thank you po.
Thank you so much po, Lester. Thank you so much po. Again, that's Velo Hypoallergenic. Kaya sa mga naghahanap rin po ng mga dog treats, dog foods, cat treats, na gusto nila syempre, medyo sensitive na natin. Baka siguro tayo sa Velo Hypoallergenic. Alright, sige, dire-diretso na tayo Idol Mickey dahil pupumulimlim na.
Oo, mas gusto natin andito pa rin tayo bago pa bumagsak ang ating ulan.
So, dire-diretso na po tayo. We will be proceeding with our special awards this afternoon. Alright, so again, sa mga representatives po natin, participants, please be at the area dahil kapag tinawag po namin kayo, lapit po tayo agad-agad.
Yes.
Sige, special awards na tayo. Natapos na po tayo sa ating list na natin award a while ago. And of course, our Majesty Cup Award, or our Majesty Award. Now, we will be having our first special award, which is our best DIY outfit. Ito po yung mga gumawa ng handmade and creative costumes. So, for our special awards, ayan, may we ask for since I dito yung ulit family of Fletcher. Opo na lang.
Oo. Mga family of Fletcher.
We will be calling our So, ito po mga best DIY outfit natin. Mag-uwi sila ng wheel. Mag-gift packs from a wheel of hypoallergenic. Of course, one bracket from Alpha Pro and one sack from
Top Breed.
So, wala rin po kami ng representatives from Top Breed, from Nutri Shop, and of course from Window. Isang representative lang po ng award. Representative from Window, Nutri Shop, and of course from Top. Ayan. Sige ba, bibigyan natin.
One take two, hindi ko na alam ma'am. Kaya hanggang 17 by one take two. Bisa or?